Bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert, oh yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a vlog. It's going to be about getting my back tattoo today. So I'm just getting ready for the day because my appointment is in an hour and like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna do like my basic makeup. I already have what I'm going to wear for my tattoo today. Sorry my eye's a little pink. I took a shower and I got soap in my eye. But yeah, I'm just wearing like this big t-shirt, and then I'm wearing like kind of like stretchy jeans. And then I also use this for my acne, like for my chest and for my face, and it works as long as I use it like every morning and every night, but I'm not really that consistent with it anymore, so that's why my forehead has been breaking out, and so has my chest. Eek. Oh, and the reason I'm wearing this headband is because when I do my makeup, I feel like I always get my foundation in my freaking baby hairs. Okay, so this is my look for the day. I can show you guys like what I have so far. I did have it sketched out like a year ago, but the paper that it was on was really crusty and had some random stains on it, so I redrew it like a couple days ago. So this is what it looked like a year ago. It did have like the lettering inside of it, but it was on a different like paper, and I just taped it on there, so I don't know where that went. But that's what it looks like. It's all like crinkly and stuff, and you can see there's like a little stain right there, and I just thought that it would be better to like redraw it up for him, so I did. It did get a little stained up in the past few days though, but it's not as crinkly. Damn. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks a little cleaner than the last one. It's gonna go on my back. What I was thinking is that there's gonna be like shading along this and this and this. We might do this a little thicker, but I'm not sure. I like how it looks right now, just simple, but I do want some shading on it just to give it a little like something, you know. I'll also have my friend record while I'm getting my tattoo so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, hi guys. Sorry if this seems a little close, but this is my car phone holder that I just used. But I'm leaving to go to the tattoo place right now. It's like 10 minutes away from my house. I'm excited. I'm scared, but excited. I hope it goes good. So right here I have my protein shake. I mixed it in with some bananas and oats just to give it some texture, and some ice, and just a little bit of apple juice so that it could, I don't know, be a little liquidy. Tastes pretty good. The protein shake has kind of like a chocolate taste. The name of it is like triple fudge, something like that. The brand is Xantrex for the protein powder. This is my lunch, and then I think the tattoo is gonna cost about like $300, but it might take less. But I know he charges about $100 per hour. He might have raised the prices, but I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know. I've been to this guy before. He's done like all of my tattoos. He's an older dude. I don't know. I don't know if he'll let me record, but I'm pretty sure he would. He's a pretty lax guy. I'm just scared, guys. I'm like, ooh. I just feel like my back's gonna hurt a lot, and I'm gonna try and just sit through the whole thing. And then I don't know who's going first because I'm going with my friend Savera. We're gonna meet there, and I think she's getting a tattoo on her forearm. I'll show you guys that too. Oh, I can feel it now. Oh my god. And then driving home is gonna be a fucking pain because I'm not really gonna be able to sit back on it because it literally goes like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be from like the nape of my neck. Is that what it's called? The bottom of the back of my neck to like maybe like 2 inches above like my butt crack. So it's gonna be pretty big. It might be like an inch or two smaller than or shorter than I think it is. But yeah, it's gonna take up majority of my back, and I'm really close. I think I'm like a minute or two away. This is gonna be fun, guys. Yeah, I'm like, my heart's starting to pound. I know when I get in there, my hands are, oh, there it is. My hands are gonna start shaking, but Severa is already here. Okay, I'll see you guys in there.
Alright, who's going first?
Let's just go with mine. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we're sitting, we're waiting. I think, do you know what that's called when he puts that blue stuff on it so he can put it on my back?
Like stenciling it out, drawing it, basically.
Yeah, he's stenciling it right now. But yeah, that will take about like maybe 5 minutes, and then he's gonna press it on my back and the outline's gonna be there. Yep. And then Severa said she'll record me for a bit. Not the whole time, but just bits and pieces here and there. And then I'll also include her tattoo too towards the end. So yeah. But yeah, all the times that I've came here, he puts on like music, rock and roll, I guess you'd say. And he has pictures board right here that I laid on last time when I got my chest tattoo.
I could probably be laying on that again.
Yeah, probably. And then he has pictures over here. That's him and his wife when he was younger. There's some couches, and then he has books of like tattoo ideas. Okay guys, we got the stencil in. I think I'm gonna have to lay back soon. So this is a stencil. That's what it looks like. Minnow Bamarziwin. The good way of life. Looks like I'm gonna lay down on this. Okay. Well, I just flipped. I flipped my shirt over so you can't really see my breasts. Okay. My flabby back. But yeah, that's what my back looks like. Yep, but we're gonna be getting started soon. He's just cleansing the area. He's gonna shave my back. I'll let Severa film that.
You want to get filmed getting your back shaved?
Yeah.
Okay.
Auto Care Center, and we'll replace them for you, or go to any Napa Auto.
So we're just letting the stencil dry in my back, and then he's gonna take a pen or something and finish some of the lines that didn't go on with like the stencil that he pressed against my back. You can't really see it that well, but there it is. We'll get started in a bit, guys. Woo! So Glenn is using a single needle because my tattoo is only line work. So I thought that would be good information to tell you guys. So this is where the tattoo really started to hurt. It was probably like a good 6 or 7 out of 10 for me when he got to my lower back. The upper back wasn't so bad. It was like a 4 or 5 out of 10 for the pain scale. But yeah, the bottom part freaking sucked. So how I was able to deal with the pain through This whole process was through some deep breathing techniques. Sounds dumb, but it really helped me with not paying attention to the pain. And what also helped me was holding on to something really tightly too. And yeah, also having a friend there to talk to while you're getting your tattoo done will also help distract you. My tattoo came up to $100 because it only took him an hour to do my tattoo. So we're all done. He's gonna patch it up real quick. I ended up not doing the shading though, just because he said it was gonna look a little messy. So he's the tattooist, so I took his advice. You should always listen to them too if they tell you something. So he knows best. I don't know, I'm just touching it. But anyways, he said the lines are gonna thicken out. That's what happened with my other ones too, is the lines thicken. But he's washing it with something and it stings a little. Yep. I'm glad though. On to Severa's tattoo after he put some stuff on my back. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna record bits and pieces of Severa's tattoo. I just wanted to put this in the video, but I was like hanging on to like the bed platform thing and it was like cutting into my arm. It kind of made me forget like how hard this hurt, but that's how tight I was hanging on to the platform thing. And my leg, oh, look at that. Yeah, I was hanging on so tight, so my hands feel tired and my toes, but she's coming up next. Look at her. So grown up. Wearing this big ass nighttime shirt out. Wow. Outfit of the day. There's Severa's outline. Little Mermaid. Oh. So now that we're sitting here waiting to get Severa's tattoo on, she's asking me questions, and it's probably good for you guys to know, but like now that I'm just sitting here, it doesn't really hurt. It's like a tender feeling, really, but tender feeling, and it's more of like a background tender feeling. Just thought that would be good for you guys to know. But there's Severa. Look at her feeling her arm. She's like, I'm gonna miss my freckles. No joke what she said. So we're about to get started. He's about to print it on. He's about to shave the hair off of there. So what he uses is deodorant. He does that because, what does it do? Oh, it keeps the print on, and when it dries, so the print doesn't smear when he's messing with it. So here we're going. He's gonna put it on. Look at that. So cute. Ooh, am I even recording? Yes, I am. Okay, good. Alright, that's the outline. Woohoo. While Severa was getting her tattoo done, she said that it didn't really hurt that much. So Glenn started out with the outline, and then after he finished the outline, that's when he started to do the shading for the mermaid. So now he is cleaning it all off because it's finished. Severa's tattoo came up to $150, which really isn't bad at all, so that's cool. Well, we're all done. I'm driving downtown to get some unscented lotion and soap bar so I can clean it. So things to do for keeping your tattoo clean, like aftercare, you're going to have to wash it and moisturize it with lotion 3 to 4 times a day. And by doing that, you're making it less probable that your tattoo is going to scab. So that's why you have to clean it so often, so that it doesn't scab over. I have to go to the food store. I think that they have like a little aisle for like lotions and stuff. Okay, well, I'm back home and I had my mom wash my back for me. But when I went to the store to get, I got Dove Sensitive Skin Soap Bar. And it came in a 2-pack. And then I got CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the store to use for my aftercare. Over time, the lines are going to get thicker. It takes a while for them to get thicker. It takes like 1 to like 3 years, I think he said, for the lines to get 3 times their size. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this. If you watched this, I hope you enjoyed my vlog for today. So please like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Have a good rest of the weekend and have a good week.